Hi everybody! Today we're going to review
Play-Doh Fundamentals Triangle Extruders.
Okay, let's start. We've got the box here. Let's see what's inside. We've got 2 cans of Play-Doh and the extruders and a play mat. There's a green and an orange can, and the play mat has all the figures inside: an elephant, a turtle, a lion, and a tree with a snake. Opening up the extruders. We've got a turtle, tree, snake in the bottom, the elephant, and a lion. And the head for the snake. Goes in the tree. Opening the green Play-Doh. First try the turtle. Pushing down on the turtle shell, we've got the head, the 4 legs, and the tail. It's pretty neat. The orange Play-Doh, and this is putting in the lion's head here. Pushing it down, it comes out the top to make a lion's mane. That's pretty cool. And next, the elephant. With more orange Play-Doh. Pushing the elephant down, get the trunk and the ears, and some hair on top. Finally, with the tree extruder for the snake, use some green Play-Doh. And just press this down, extrude the snake. Putting on the snake head. Putting each animal on the placemat. And the snake, the elephant, and the turtle. that's it, everybody. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more videos.